In this video, we'll see grammatical homonyms and more precisely, e. So this video is in fact quite interesting. We're talking about grammatical homonyms. So grammatical homonyms are words that are written differently but then pronounced the same way. And for this one, it's quite interesting because, well, in most of the cases, people will pronounce, for this one, it's not a problem. It will be pronounced e, and it means and. The second one, this is the most tricky thing about this video, because people can pronounce it the same way, e, and that's the reason why I wanted to make this video, so you can mix them, e, but then there are quite many persons also who will, like me, pronounce it a bit more open, because this is the way it should be pronounced, e. So for the purpose of this video, we will consider that these are grammatical homonyms because many people will pronounce them the same way. E. Elle a un frère et une sœur. Elle a un frère et une sœur. Elle est en Espagne toute la semaine. Elle est en Espagne toute la semaine. So as you can see, e are pronounced the same way. But let's agree on the fact that in some cases, depending on the regions and depending on the way people want to pronounce it, it can be this one, the verb être, can be opened a bit more like est. Elle est en Espagne toute la semaine. But in this video, we'll consider that many people pronounce them the same way. So, elle a un frère et une sœur. Elle est en Espagne toute la semaine.